Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. My name is Monika and this is a follow-up video on how to improve editability of this shape we created. And in this video I'm going to discuss the method that used transform again. So we had this shape and just transformed it again, and this is not easily editable if we want to, for instance, make this a little thinner. So I would have to basically redo it, and let's see how we can improve that. So I'm going to move it to the side and make a copy of this one. And in order to improve it, what we can do is make a symbol. So let's open the symbols panel and just drag it inside. And we're going to create a dynamic symbol and put the registration point at the top, like so. So there we have the symbol instance, and the registration point can be seen when I hide the bounding box. So you see there's the registration point at the center of the figure we want. So let's show it again, and then we can transform it. And let's take the rotate tool again, and you see the center of the rotation is put at the top automatically. And let's just double click the tool and use the angle we have already set up. Make a copy and then transform again by pressing Command D or Control D on Windows, like so. And these are now editable when we edit the symbol. So we can double click the symbol, select it, and then press Alt and make it a little thinner. And then with a double click, exit that. And you see there we have the different setting. So the numbers of rays we have created are not easily editable. If you want to edit that, you have to redo it. But what you can do is take the direct selection tool and, for instance, alter the colors of those like so, and then you can still change them. But what if you want to edit them a little more? So what you can then do is create the base shape differently. So let's create it using a line. So when we just draw a line and apply a stroke color to that, and then apply a variable width and make this thicker like so, and then we can put this up here. And again, make a symbol, like so. And this time we put the registration point at the bottom. And there we have the symbol. And again, double click the rotate tool, copy, and then transform again. And this one is nice because you can do some better editing. And I'm going to double click symbol instance, and then let's take the pen tool, and I'm going to select the line, and now pressing the Alt key to get the anchor point tool and just making it like so. And now I'm going to double click to exit, and then you see we have some nice changes to this figure. And again, we can take the direct selection tool and apply different colors to single strokes and edit this. And you see we have a better editability of this shape. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.